Arc welding. Type of weld: pipe butt weld. Type of joint: butt joint. Position: 1G horizontal position. Rolling. Material: MS pipe. Now we will go into the details of how the pipe welding can be done in 1G position. Ends of the pipe are beveled 30 to 35 degrees. A root space of 1.5 mm to 2 mm is maintained. After beveling, the edges are well ground and filed. All dirt are removed. The pipe have to be tack welded in 4 positions. After tack welding of the pipe, it is kept horizontally with the axis parallel to the welding table. Now you can start the welding with 3.15 mm electrode and the current setting of 100 to 110 amperes. Before you start the welding, you strike the arc on a separate plate to ensure that the arc is stable and uniform. The electrode makes an angle of 60 to 70 degrees with the line of welding, and it is 90 degrees with the plate surface. In this position, you can weld the pipe in the flat position by turning the pipe. After completion of the root run, the root is perfectly cleaned by deslagging with a chipping hammer and apply a wire brush for perfect cleaning. Once the cleaning is complete, you can have the first run and the second run. As for the root run, use 3.15 mm electrode with a current setting of 100 to 110 amperes. Once the welding is completed, clean the weld surface using a chipping hammer, wire brush it, and inspect for any welding defects. The bead of the weld should be very uniform. Reinforcement should also be uniform.